Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for always watching my videos, and if you're coming across the channel for the first time, please don't make it your last time. Kindly click on the red subscribe button to be subscribed to my channel. On this channel I share natural hair related content. I show you how to take care of your natural hair using very common ingredients that are not harmful to the scalp, and I also show you how to make your own hair products. So kindly click on the red subscribe button and join the family. And to my old subscribers, thank you so much guys for always coming back to watch the videos. I really appreciate you all. So guys, in today's video we are going to be making a leave-in spray, and to make this leave-in spray we are going to be using cloves. Cloves is really good for hair growth. It prevents hair breakage, hair thinning, alopecia, dryness, and it helps keep the scalp moisturized for healthy natural hair growth. I have many videos on this channel where I use cloves to make different treatment. That is because it's really very good for hair growth. And I also have a video where I showed you how to make cloves water for hair growth, and I got a lot of good feedbacks from that video, meaning the treatment is really working. So do well to check it out because you'll find it very helpful. And the second ingredient is rosemary. Rosemary helps to stimulate and improve circulation to the scalp, therefore encouraging hair growth. Due to its antibacterial properties, it gently cleans the scalp. Rosemary is also good in stopping itchy scalp, dryness, and dandruff. So guys, I added the rosemary and clove to a pot, and I added 200 ml of water and boiled for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, this is what we have. I let it cool down for some minutes and I went ahead to filter it. So guys, I'm adding clove oil to this spray. A video of how to make clove oil is on this channel. I'm going to link it in the description box, and I'm also going to leave it in the cards. So make sure you watch the video and also make your oil yourself. Because my hair is high porosity, it tends to dry out so quickly, so I always add oil to my spray. So guys, this is what it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and pour it into a spray bottle, and I'll show you how I apply it. The application is really easy to follow, so I just make sure I spray it all over my hair, my edges, my roots, every part of my hair. I make sure every part is benefiting from the spray. You can use this spray on your dreadlocks because I get a lot of question if my products are okay for dreadlocks. Yes, you can use it for your dread. You can use it for any protective style you're wearing at the moment. It is very okay and very harmless to the scalp. After the application, I just went ahead to massage my scalp, and after massaging my scalp, I went in with my herbal hair butter mix to seal in moisture. The video of how to make this hair butter is going to be in my description box. Always make sure to check out my description box. This hair butter is really good. It helps keep your hair moisturized. So guys, make sure you use this spray daily, or you can use it twice weekly. Do not wash it out because this is a leave-in spray that will help you grow your hair and also prevent hair breakage. So guys, that will be all for this video. Till I see you all in my next video. Bye.